Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll compare Slack and Microsoft Teams. So if you're running a business or working remotely, choosing the right communication tool is very crucial. So which one is better? Let's break it down. So Slack is a basically lightweight, easy to use messaging app that's perfect for small teams and startups. It's great for quick chats, integrates with tons of apps, and also has a clean, modern interface. If you want flexibility and ease of use, Slack is a solid choice. On the other hand, we have Microsoft Teams, which is quite pretty much famous. So, it is built for enterprise level collaboration. It integrates seamlessly with Office 365, offers built in video calls, and has powerful file sharing features. So if your complete company is already using Microsoft tools, Team is like a no-brainer. It's easy to go for. So which one is better? If you need a simple chat tool for a small team, go with Slack. But if you are part of a larger company that relies on Microsoft Office, Team is a better pick for you for deep integration and also collaboration. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you.